What's up, guys? Mikey in the building. I hope you guys had a great day. I only traded one name this morning. Avtx. A couple things happened. I was like, wait a minute, what's going on? All right, this is a very aggressive sell, um, open market sell right here. This is not that weak open type of thing. And you know, when it was building right here on the one, it's like, okay, maybe it might be, but then this happened, and I'm like, whoa. And I was even like zooming out of my chart, like, what are we doing? Okay, orb, orb. Yesterday's high. Okay. Once I saw all this happening, I was looking for that weak open type of look, and it was starting. But then, if you were watching the level two on this, there was so many bids on that side that just were just like, nope, and it flushed through it pretty hard. Started stalling right here, and then boom again. Consolidated. They tried to put bidders, but there wasn't really anything that was like standing out to me, and there really wasn't like any type of level or an area to really kind of go off of, right? Um, right here. So the next spot for me was yesterday's high or yesterday's orb. Moreover, the first 30 minutes high that it put in, which is right here, this pivot. Okay, that's what I want to see. And real quick, this is literally at 2308, and that is literally 23 literally right here. Okay, I'm sorry, it's 22. Oh yeah, right here, 23. Okay, I want you to show you something, and this is why I hit it. And whew, like my face is very focused right here this whole time. That's when I saw the bids come in. I'm like, That's when I started to hit it. Okay, that was the first set of the bidders that popped up right here. All right, now, oops, pause. Brand. Okay, yesterday, something that stuck out to me. I'm going to try to see if it holds weight or if it doesn't. Zoom out real quick. I had this. I was very particular about this 25 and 92 area, and it was because yesterday, before it closed, it started to. I'm sorry. Before, yeah, the market closed, a bidder came up and shoved underneath 25.92 and got this to go again, um, and pop. So I wanted to see, okay, and I've seen this on multiple tapes now. Level 2, I'm scanning at 8 p.m., trying to see what's going on at night, and like, I see that, and I know I have a picture of it. And I'll just show you just a quick example of what I saw yesterday and why. I mean, I'm trying to think of it. Does it hold any type of a weight? Okay, Mikey's folder. No. Okay, right here. Boom. This is what I saw yesterday, right? I saw some bid stacks come in against a big ass right here. This is AVTX right before it closed, 22.37. I saw some bidders show up again, and before there wasn't any bidders. Pretty much doing all this weird things. But then they threw in a bidder, and then on top of that, 4 a.m. comes, and we get this pop from it. So I'm like, okay, what's going on here? Never comes back and just takes off. Now, mind you, I didn't watch any of this. I just know that I'm at the gym. This thing's popping off. I remember that signal. Okay, so I wanted to see it get retested, and when it did, it just dumped. So I wanted to see it retest it. So once I got in off the bids and it started to build, and right here is where I saw hidden buyers on the level two. This wasn't dropping, so I was actually very happy because I loaded just right underneath it, and now there's some support above it. And I will be honest with you, first scales on this one was against this different. This is a different type of structure. First scales were against this pivot right here. All right, right into here and into VWAP. And after that, I held some because it did not re-break this 25.92 thing that I was tracking. It held. There was no breakdown. Buyers were still there and bidders were still there. I was able to get one more leg and I just liquidated most. I try to hold and I stopped out literally right here because the tape was just so heavy. All right. To me, I should have been more particular because when I went to go review this trade, the tape completely flipped right here, lost the bids right here, and I should be out. I need to be out faster and better to lock in more because I really sized into this. So that this move right here alone was fantastic. So me stopping out still for a win. Remember, I'm still stopping out for a win. Some size, yeah, it's not that much, but a little bit of size, penny and a half means something. And these subbies right now. Okay, so yeah, that was my mistake. And even when I reviewed it, complete tape flip, shift, and I needed to bail because, guys, we're still under the structure of this. Remember, go back and watch these other videos or go back and review some trades where open longs, weak opens, they're pumping, they're moving for a reason. All right. And then on this thing, eventually what? Yeah, right before close, drops an offering or right here. Incentive, guys. Remember, there's always a reason for these things to just start getting crazy, for a reason. Why is volume coming out of nowhere? Why is this consolidation? Now it's breaking out. Day 1, day 2, now day 3, and they do some offering thing. All right, insane. And it's not insane. It's just knowing what's going on. All right, but that's pretty much it. AVTX is literally the only thing I traded today. I was looking at other tapes, and I'm sticking to my guns. I know it's like there's a lot of great things I ran today, right? You got Mullen, nice opportunity. I think there's a nice bull run in here. All right, ACB backside potential. This is ooh nice flag. We'll be watching this until tomorrow. But in other words, there's this nice opportunities to catch some type of bull run up. Remember, I don't. They don't need to last. I don't even. They don't need to last forever. You know. It's amazing, and my best days come for when they do. They go parabolic. You know. But if I could just get caught in a Pacific tape for the bull run to push for a reason and liquidate in that type of run, it's fine. That's the focus. All right, guys. Much love and peace out.